Oh, hello. I'm Jeremy McKee. I'm going to be your host at Dining with the Demons. We're going to have a great time. This is Tuesday. I thought I'd meditate a little bit to get the excitement out of my system because I can't sleep at night because thinking about what a wonderful time we're going to have. It's May 3rd at 2 o'clock at Lenoir Fairgrounds in Lenoir. And it's easy to find. Just ask anyone. They can get you there. And of course, you live there most of you all your life and you know where it's at. We're going to have a lot of great fun. So remember, 2 o'clock this Saturday, May 3rd. Hey, not counting today, that's only 4 days away. So, get in your yoga to get your entertainment groove on, your thoughts, and just kind of, let yourself go. And I will see you there this Saturday at 2 o'clock with dancing, singing, and fellowship. We'll see you there. Now, I shall float away.